The Victor electronic mousetrap is the ultimate in rodent control. It works by delivering a humane high-voltage shock to eliminate mice that enter the chamber. Convenient LED light alerts let you know when there's a catch or when the batteries are low. The sleek design features a removable kill chamber and built-in bait cup to ensure proper baiting every time. You can also pair your trap with disposable refill chambers for an even easier no-touch, no-see cleanup. Follow these steps to get started. Make sure the trap is turned off. Then insert 4 AA batteries. Open the kill chamber door to bait the trap. Apply a small amount of high-protein bait, such as peanut butter in the bait cup. To avoid transferring your scent to the trap, use a toothpick or utensil to apply the bait. Close the kill chamber door and power the trap on. The green light will flash and the trap will buzz to show it's working. Place the trap along a wall, making sure that the side with the entrance is against the baseboard. Once you've made a catch, the green light will flash again. To dispose of mice, turn the trap off and disconnect the kill chamber. Open the lid and empty it into the trash. If using refills, discard the entire chamber into the trash and attach a new one to the trap. With the Victor electronic mousetrap, you can win the never-ending battle against rodents.